Everyone, hope you are all doing fine. In today's class, we'll start with a new chapter, addition and subtraction of three-digit numbers. So you've already learned how to add two-digit numbers, right? You already know adding two-digit numbers, and in today's class, we will see how to add three-digit numbers. There are two three-digit numbers, two numbers which are having three digits. So we will see how to add the numbers. We'll go over the first example. Add 322 and 251. So you have to add 322 and 251. So we have got two numbers which are of three digits. So how to add the numbers? We know we have to add the numbers, we have to write the numbers one below the other. You can either write this number or this number first. So we will write 322. How do we write it? This 2 should be in ones and tens and hundreds. So it should be placed exactly under their places. So 322. 251. We are adding, right? So we will write plus sign. How to place the second digit under the second number under the first number? We have to place the ones place digit under the ones place digit. Here, in this number, 1 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place. So, now we are going to add the numbers. So, how do we add? You know, we have to add the numbers from the ones place. So, 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 5 is, how much is 2 plus 5? 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 6, 7. So we have to write 7 in the tens place. Next 3 plus 2 is 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger, we will get 5. So when we add 322 and 251, we get 573 as the answer, and this answer is called as sum. So when we add two numbers, whatever the answer we get is called as sum. Okay. So next we'll take one more example, which is a story sum. Now listen to the question carefully. There are 450 students in your school. Okay. How many? There are 450 students in your school. Now 110 people or students will join. How many? 110 students are newly joined. Okay. There are already 450 students in school. Okay. And 110 students will join. They are newly joined. So now, what is the total number of students in the school? How do we calculate? We are calculating the total. Once we are bringing the things together, we are getting all the students together. So to find out that total, we have to add the numbers. So how do we add the numbers? We have to write the numbers one below the other. 450. So here 0 is in ones, tens and 4 is in hundreds place. We have to write 110 below this. How do we write it? 0 is in ones place, we will write it in ones place. This one is in tens and this one is in hundreds place. Since we are adding, we will write a plus sign and we are going to add the numbers from the ones place. 0 plus 0. How much is 0 plus 0? It is 0 itself. 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. So what are the total number of students now? It is 560. There are 560 students now. When do we get 560? When we add 110 to 450, we will get 560. This is the total, or it is called as sum. And the two numbers what we add, these are called as addends. What it is called? These are called addends. So when we add two numbers, we will get the answer that is called as sum. Okay. So this is about addition of three-digit numbers. Hope you have understood, children. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Stay home.